Novatech Lamborghini. The Novatech Lamborghini Huracan STO is a refined masterpiece that elevates the track-focused supercar to new levels of performance and exclusivity. Novatech enhances the STO's aggressive aerodynamics with custom carbon fiber components, including a redesigned front lip, side skirts, and rear diffuser, all engineered for optimal downforce and style. The naturally aspirated 5.2L V10 remains untouched mechanically, but Novatech upgrades the exhaust system with ultra-lightweight Inconel or stainless steel options, amplifying both sound and performance. A lowered suspension setup with sport springs and tailor-made Vossen wheels enhances handling and stance. Inside, Novatech offers bespoke interior refinements in Alcantara and carbon, delivering a truly personalized driving experience. Jetcraft Sver 750K. The Jetcraft Sver 750K is an 8.4-meter aluminium airboat engineered for extreme adaptability, navigating water, frozen lakes, marshland, and hard terrain with unmatched ease. Powered by a Chevrolet LS3 petrol V8, delivering 430 HP, it achieves up to 70 knots. Yuon Denk 3 Yacht 130 Gonli Top speed and cruises comfortably at 40 knots, carrying up to 10 passengers or 1.8 tons of cargo. Designed for expeditions, rescue, transport, and adventure tourism, the Sver 750K blends performance with luxury. Its interior is double sound insulated, with bespoke wood or leather finishes and panoramic tinted windows offering panoramic views and comfort even in harsh environments. The vessel features an ergonomic helm layout, ultra-comfortable seating including rear convertible berths, and delivers seamless maneuvering even in remote locations. At a price around Euro 160, US, 164, and just 160 engine hours, this airboat sets a new standard for rugged mobility and refined travel across land and water. Ford Tourneo Custom. The Ford Tourneo Custom X Black Series Edition is a bold reimagining of Ford's premium people mover, blending utility with a commanding, high-end presence. Finished in a deep black exterior with gloss black detailing, aggressive bumpers, and custom alloy wheels, it exudes a sporty, executive vibe. Under the hood, it's powered by a refined 2L EcoBlue diesel engine, delivering both efficiency and responsive performance. Inside, the cabin offers luxurious comfort with black leather seats, ambient lighting, and advanced infotainment systems. Built for both business and lifestyle use, the Black Series Edition offers spacious seating for up to 8 passengers, setting a new standard in premium van travel with unmistakable style and function. Brabus Ultimate E. The Brabus Ultimate E is a high-performance, all-electric city car that combines compact design with luxury and power. Based on the Smarty Q42, this limited edition vehicle is transformed by Brabus into a bold urban machine with a distinctive widebody kit, 18-inch forged wheels, and signature Brabus styling. Powered by an upgraded electric motor, it delivers instant torque and dynamic acceleration, making it perfect for agile city driving. Inside, the cabin features exclusive leather upholstery, aluminum pedals, and custom Brabus detailing, elevating the driving experience. With its zero-emission performance and aggressive design, the Ultimate E proves that sustainability and sportiness can coexist in a compact, head-turning package. BMW X6M F96. The BMW X6M F96 Minotaur is an aggressive and exclusive interpretation of BMW's flagship performance SUV, reimagined through bold styling and enhanced dynamics. Based on the X6M F96 platform, the Minotaur Edition features a custom wide-body kit, carbon fiber aerodynamic components, and forged alloy wheels that amplify its muscular stance. Under the hood, the 4.4L twin-turbocharged V8 engine delivers up to 625 horsepower. launching the SUV from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds. Inside, it offers a refined cabin with premium leather, Alcantara accents, and bespoke trim details. Combining brutal performance with commanding presence, the X6M 96 Minotaur embodies power, luxury, and individuality in one iconic machine. Dodge Ram. The Dodge Ram widebody is a bold reinterpretation of the iconic American pickup, merging rugged utility with aggressive muscle car styling. Featuring an extended widebody kit, flared fenders, and custom aerodynamic enhancements, it delivers a dominant road presence. Powered by a high-output Hemi V8 engine often upgraded in custom builds to exceed 700 horsepower, the widebody Ram offers exhilarating performance alongside massive towing and hauling capabilities. Enhanced suspension, oversized wheels, and performance brakes ensure stability and control. Inside, the cabin blends luxury with practicality, featuring premium materials and advanced tech. The Ram widebody stands as a statement of power, attitude, and high-performance engineering. Mercedes-AMG Cab 650. The CABT 650 is a bold and customized transformation of a full-size American pickup, combining extreme utility with distinctive design and elite craftsmanship. Engineered by CABT, California Baja Trucks. This powerful machine often starts from a Ram 2500 or 3500 base and is reimagined with a wide-body kit, lifted suspension, heavy-duty off-road tires, and aggressive body modifications. The 650 typically represents its torque or horsepower class, depending on build, delivering massive performance for both off-road adventure and on-road dominance. Inside, the CABT 650 features luxurious upholstery, high-tech driver aids, and unique detailing, offering a premium driving experience that matches its commanding exterior. Speedcore Barracuda. The Speedcore Barracuda is a stunning fusion of classic American muscle and cutting-edge engineering, reimagining the iconic 1970 Plymouth Barracuda with a modern, high-performance twist. Crafted by Speedcore Performance Group, this restomod features a full carbon fiber body for unmatched strength and weight reduction. Under the hood lies a monstrous 6.2L supercharged Demon V8 engine tuned to produce over 10 horsepower, delivering blistering speed and precise control. Advanced components like Brembo brakes, a custom chassis, and modern suspension ensure superb handling. Inside, the cabin is refined with race-inspired details, premium materials, and digital instrumentation. The Speedcore Barracuda is the ultimate statement of heritage meets innovation. Armor Truck SUV. The Armor Truck SUV is a futuristic, military-inspired vehicle concept that merges cutting-edge design with extreme protection and performance. Engineered by concept artist Milan Ivanov, this SUV features angular armored bodywork, crafted from advanced composite materials and reinforced steel, offering superior ballistic resistance. Its aggressive stance is paired with off-road capabilities, including large all-terrain tires, adaptive suspension, and high ground clearance. The vehicle is powered by a high-output hybrid or electric powertrain, conceptually, blending sustainability with raw power. Inside, it offers a high-tech cockpit with digital interfaces, tactical seating, and luxury materials. The Armor Truck SUV embodies next-generation survival, strength, and futuristic style. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.